Lawn renovation, revitalizing your garden. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of lawn renovation. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply love having a beautiful outdoor space, understanding this process is essential. So, let's dive in and learn how to bring new life to your lawn. Lawn renovation involves revitalizing a damaged or unhealthy lawn to restore its lush, green appearance. It's more than just regular lawn care. It's about repairing and improving your lawn. This can include processes like aeration, seeding, fertilizing, and more. We'll explore each of these steps in detail. Not every lawn requires a full renovation. It's typically needed when a lawn is over 50% damaged. This damage can be due to various factors like disease, drought, pest infestations, or poor soil conditions. We'll discuss how to assess your lawn's health and decide if renovation is necessary. Here, we'll break down the lawn renovation process into manageable steps. 1. Assessing your lawn. Determine the extent of damage and the type of grass you have. 2. Preparing the lawn. This includes mowing, dethatching, and cleaning the area. 3. Soil improvement. We'll talk about aeration, soil testing, and amendment. 4. Seeding or sodding. Choosing the right grass type and planting it correctly. 5. Fertilizing and watering. Essential for encouraging growth and health. 6. Maintenance tips. Regular upkeep to ensure lasting results. In this section, we'll highlight some common mistakes people make during lawn renovation, such as overwatering, ignoring soil health, or using the wrong type of grass. Avoiding these pitfalls can make a huge difference in the success of your lawn renovation. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of lawn renovation and how you can successfully rejuvenate your lawn. Remember, a healthy lawn not only enhances the beauty of your outdoor space but also contributes to a better environment. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.